The Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Gayton McKenzie, has voiced his skepticism regarding the Bafana Bafana team and SAFA President Danny Jordan. Despite the national football team's recent success, McKenzie expressed his concerns following a draw against Uganda in their Group K AFCON qualifier at Orlando Stadium last Friday. Even though Bafana Bafana earned the admiration of many South Africans earlier this year by securing a bronze medal at the Africa Cup of Nations in Ivory Coast, marking their first podium finish since 2000. Gayton remains unconvinced. His doubts extend to SAFA's leadership under Jordan, questioning their ability to deliver consistent results, and said, I don't have a full confidence in Bafana or Danny Jordan. Right now, my confidence is in rugby, with the Springboks being the world champions. Mackenzie emphasized that results, not rhetoric, are what earn trust. Confidence doesn't come from talking, it comes from results. We can see the results in rugby, but we aren't seeing them in soccer. The minister revealed that he had laid out clear expectations for SAFA if they are to continue receiving his backing. He insisted that Bafana Bafana must qualify for both 2024 AFCON and the 2026 World Cup to retain his support as the ultimate accounting authority in South African football. He said, I told Dr. Danny Jordan and SAFA, I'm giving you two clear goals. I'm the ultimate accounting authority when it comes to sports in the country. Qualify for the World Cup and AFCON. I'm supporting them now, but my support isn't infinite. These tasks aren't even difficult. If countries like Burkina Faso, with fewer resources than us, can qualify, why can't we? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.